The Office of the Public Defender is reporting that it has received a number of complaints from the families of persons who have been detained since the declaration of a state of emergency in St. James. The Public Defender has since made efforts to tour detention facilities in Montego Bay to assess the situation. The complaints are mainly from the mothers of men who believe the rights of their sons are being ignored. Some of the 197 persons detained have been granted bail and others released without charge. Public Defender Arlene Harrison Henry told our news center that both the Kingston and Montego Bay offices of the Public Defender have been flooded with reports. The Montego Bay office now requires assistance. After touring the lockups at the Barnett Street and Freeport police stations this afternoon, Public Defender Arlene Harrison Henry has expressed grave concerns about the deplorable conditions of the lockups. She says the spaces are cramped with no bathroom facilities or bedding. Mrs. Harrison Henry has likened the situation to that of the state of emergency in 2010 because in many cases persons are being held without credible reasons for suspicion and human rights are not being adhered to. She has called for greater communication between the Jamaica Defense Force and the Jamaica Constabulary Force, which she said could assist in improving the treatment of the men being detained. The Office of the Public Defender will continue to follow up the situation.